Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done once again. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, these levels pertain, they're just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule and chart in which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that level would be considered an area of support. But what I am going to do is adjust this level upwards some now and just call it up here at 260. And the one thing to note is when support levels are being quote unquote adjusted in the upwards direction, that's definitely a good thing. Now, if support levels are being adjusted to the downwards direction, that's a whole nother story. But in this situation, yeah, I adjusted it. And yeah, the level that I just had it at, that still totally pertains. But going back to the whole presentation point of view, I want this to be as clear as possible. So that's why I decided to just adjust it up there so we can have kind of more evident areas of support. Also, keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. As of right now, that's not even close to being tested, but more so kind of from the overarching point of view, that's a key level to watch. And if you've watched the videos from the past, then you've heard me talk about that before. And I will continue to talk about that level because it really does do the best job of just illustrating and making it the most streamlined way to figure out what's the overall health of the move. And as far as the overall movement over the past couple of weeks, yeah, as long as the price stays above that purple line, bulls are in full control. What about areas of resistance as we head into Tuesday? Key level going into Tuesday, nothing fancy, just right up there at just shy of $3 is where the price was rejected from today and the party stopped. So for that reason, $3 is going to be the main level to watch. But resistance levels don't matter. Pretty sure I've talked about this in past videos, but the reason they don't matter is because what matters is what the price has already started to do, and that is just build higher lows. So as long as these higher lows continue to be built over time, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So just continue to focus on those healthy consolidations, chipping away at those higher lows, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.